Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned beans Puerto Rican style. First, let's talk about sofrito, the essential flavor base. You'll need to finely chop about 1/4 cup of fresh onions, green bell peppers, and cilantro. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic. Combine these with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This aromatic mixture is what gives our beans their authentic, rich taste, setting the stage for a truly delicious meal. Now that your sofrito is ready, it's time to build those incredible flavors. Heat a medium pot over medium heat and add your prepared sofrito. Sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of rich tomato sauce and 1 packet of Sazon seasoning with a chiote. Continue cooking this vibrant mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes, letting all those beautiful aromas combine. With our flavor base established, it's time for the stars of the show, the beans. Add 2 cans of your favorite beans like pink or cannellini, ensuring they are drained and rinsed. Then pour in about 1 1/2 cups of water or chicken broth. This helps achieve the perfect consistency. Finally, season generously with 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning and a small pinch of salt to taste. Stir everything together well. Almost there. Bring your bean mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer uncovered. This allows the flavors to deepen and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Stir occasionally over the next 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're perfect when the sauce has reached a slightly thicker consistency and the aroma is absolutely irresistible. Serve hot with rice and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.